Let's see what we can make. Instead of using cooking oil, let's try creating some lard first from bacon. You can serve the bacon with the chicken later, or just eat it for breakfast later. That should be enough. Let's prepare the garlic. You will need about half a bowl or about 6 cloves. You will of course need to peel them. Slice, then dice about half of what you have sliced. Let's keep this on the side. Slice the chicken and add it to the pot. Turn the heat on and stir until you whiten the chicken. Add the garlic some black pepper, I like mine spicy, and some chicken stock. Cover and wait for the chicken stock to boil away. You can also cheat a little bit with sauce thickening by adding just a pinch of flour. Stir occasionally, especially once the sauce starts to thicken. You can also use this time to start preparing the side dish. Garlic chicken is best served with either rice or fries. Once satisfied, you can turn off the heat and serve when ready. As usual, there will be leftovers, which can be frozen. Do not reheat using a microwave Always reheat on a stovetop. Jó étvágyat!